Now we are on get local environment all set up. Note, if you have taken previous projects to advertise many of initial setup items in the next two lessons are repeated from previous project. If you already understand it, awesome, you are pro. Feel free to blaze through it really fast. We have already done it, but let's do it one more time. A little blockchain primer. Before anything, we'll need to get our local Ethereum network working. This is how we compile and test our smart contract code. You know how you need to spin up a local environment to work on? Same deal here. For now, all you need to know is that a smart contract is a piece of code that lives on a blockchain. The blockchain is a public place where anyone can securely read and write data from for a fee. Think of it sort of like AWS of Heroku, except no one actually owns it. It's run by thousands of random people known as miners. The bigger picture here, we are going to write a smart contract. That contract has all the logic around our actual game. Our smart contract will be deployed to a blockchain. This way, anyone in the world will able to access and run our smart contract and will let them access our game. We're going to build a client website that will let people easily connect with Ethereum wallet and play our game. I recommend also reading these documents when you can for fun. These are the best guides of internet for understanding how Ethereum works in opinion. So there it is, ethereum.org, great website explaining all the concept of Ethereum, so you can go through it. Set up local tooling. We're going to be using tool called Hardhead a lot, which let us quickly compile smart contracts and test them locally. First, you'll need to get Node npm. If you don't have it, get it from. That's the tutorial of installing Hardhead. Node. I am on Node 16. I know some people have gotten out of memory an older version of Node, so if that happens, get Node 16 LTS. Next, let head to the terminal. Go ahead and set your directory you want to work in. Once you are there, run these commands. So let's get started with our VS Code.